Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago when I was in school. Well, I have this mushrooms photo and this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used to filter called fine edges. This image is black and white 4x5. And I'm going to colorize first today, and let's see what's going to happen if I'm going to use this pencil drawing type image or not. Well, I will, but I'm going to colorize this image. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to move this empty layer over this black and white image, then change blend mode to color as always, then add color on this. Well, today I want to try some watercolor image, but I gotta colorize, so I'm gonna use just basic to soft brown opacity, then add some what's the color of the mushroom, maybe light touch yellowish maybe. And the browns some. Nice window light, right? Yeah. Most of the time backlit is show the forms real well, so it turned to be a nice photograph. Okay, I'm gonna paint on base too. Well, okay, I'm gonna add one more layer, then before change blend mode, I'm gonna paint first, because this is gonna be the base color, so I don't know how much thickness I'm going to add. I'm going to paint watercolor later on, so I'm going to just some of it. Then let me see, change blend mode to color. Alright, now what's the color of that window frame? Well, let's see. Okay, kind of shabby look, huh? Alright, I'm gonna use smudge tool. Well, this time dry media to pastel square. Okay, how does it look like now? Well, this one is mushroom. Need more brownish color, but I'm gonna add some brown. Well, okay, now I want to add some shadow. Okay, now I want to add, one more layer over this. Well, in between these mushrooms and background, I'm going to add layer watercolor this time. Watercolor, let's see, round detail. Let me tone down this base image. Change brush to wash flat. Again, round detail to make some bluer. Then change brush to wash flat. Wash flat, then orange. Okay, now let's see. Okay, I'm gonna change names. Right. Now I named everything, and let me see. This is the original black and white. Well, about 60% now. Now, let's see. This original black and white toned down. Okay, about 50. Then let me see this pencil drawing type image. Turn it on. Change blend mode to color burn. Well, linear burn. Pin light. Well, let's see. If I move this pencil drawing type image, just move down just over this original black and white image, so we see the watercolor shadow area and other background colors. Now I'm going to change this blend mode again. It's pin light. Let's see about this pin light. Pin light is effective. Kind of interesting image, isn't it? Okay, now let's see about this shadow watercolor image. This color here, I want a little bit more darken. So let me see if I duplicate layers. Now we see a little bit dark. Change blend mode of this. Multiply. Goes darker. Okay, then again, this is background. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this one too. We got same thing happens, color darker. Double the colors. Then I'm gonna change blend mode to multiply. No, this one is not. Oops. No. Wait a minute. This is not background. Wait a minute. I think I painted on here too, huh? Okay. Now I wanna. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna delete this. Then about this background color, I thought. I guess I painted on here too. Let me see. Change blend mode to normal. See, we see. Then other colors. Like this is mushroom color. Supposed to be. We have mushroom here too. But let me see. Change blend mode to normal. Yeah, we do. Yes. Let's see how much I painted on here. This is mushroom, right? So I think I made mistake on here. this one should be the background only. So I'm gonna erase this mushroom colors. Okay, this is shadow watercolor off, mushrooms color off. This is pencil drawing type image off. Now this is original. Okay, now let's see. I'm gonna erase eraser tool, soft round opacity. Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna erase it. No big deal. I just was not recognized I was painted on different layer. Just erase, do it again. Not much. Sometimes it happens. Okay. Now I'm gonna smudge to blend in with the background colors. Okay. Good experience. Alright. Now I erase it back. This layer is only for background colors. Then this is shadow of the watercolor image. Then this one is mushroom colors. Okay, I'm gonna blend some soften up this mushroom colors. Let's see how much I'm looking at this mushroom image. Tone down, then blend in mushroom colors. No hard edge. Same times I'm gonna smudge this background color as well. So blend in nicely. And mushroom colors. Okay, let me see. Turn on this black and white original image. Then turn it on this watercolor shadow image. Then this shadow watercolor. Oops. Oh, this is two of them. Multiply and just normal. Then this is mushroom color. Blend mode is now it's normal, but go back to color blend mode. It's softened up. Okay, then this is background color. This one bring back to blend mode color. Alright. Then this is pencil drawing type image. Yeah. Alright. Now it's kind of soft image, but I want this mushroom color to be a little more dark. Okay, this is shadow watercolor, and this is background. Well, about background, just leave it this way. And this pencil drawing type image pin light effect is okay. Now leave it 60. Then I'm gonna darken this mushroom color more yellowish brownish. Okay, but I want this to be more darker, right? So okay, I'm gonna duplicate this mushroom color, then change blend mode to multiply. Goes darker, but let's see, it's just too much. About 50, or let me see other. Little more, need a little bit more contrast. I will emphasize somehow this mushroom. Let me see, I'm gonna duplicate this black and white original image, then move this one, go up. Now change the blend mode and opacity to, let's see, to I don't know, color. linear burn. That's what that is. Or color burn. Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty interesting. Okay, color burn. Okay, how's this? Or linear burn. No. This is kind of interesting. Lighter color. Yeah, give it some highlight. That's nice. This is nice too. I like the contrast. Okay, how's this then? Color burn. 90. Okay, I'm gonna make mask. Create empty mask. Now invert mask. Then reveal this. I just wanna show this mushrooms. Okay, I go with painting to roughing brush. This is gonna give you something interesting texture. Well, kind of interesting image. Darken mushrooms. And this one is same thing. This one is, yeah, I can merge down. Only watercolor, shadow watercolor image. Okay, merge down. Now we got the one watercolor shadow area image. Now this is background. Tabletop brown color and a window frame greenish color. That's a background. Then this one is pencil drawing type image. 70%. Pin light effect. Pretty interesting. Some kind of illustration type image. Okay, leave it 100%. But let's see. This is pin light effect. Pencil drawing type image. 70%. Make it 80. Yeah. Well, 100. Looks like more illustration type image. Then this watercolor image. Too dark. Well, kind of interesting. I don't know what that is. I don't know if it shows. Well, kind of interesting image, but let's see. Finish up this image. I think I want some out borders. So, okay, give it canvas size. Change width. 3300. How's this? Done. White border around. Well, some kind of illustration type image. I hope people see what this is. Mushroom. I don't know. Well, that's it for today, and hopefully you guys know what this is. Mushrooms by the window light. Let's see. Yep, I guess that's it. Some kind of illustration image. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and well, you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.